Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? Espero que estéis todos bien. Cada día es un día menos para terminar con esta situación. Desde EcoCrafts queremos aportar nuestro granito de arena para haceros más llevaderos estos días. Hoy hemos decidido dedicarle este tutorial a los más pequeños de la casa. Lo vamos a hacer en inglés. Vamos a reciclar unos tubos de papel higiénico y una caja de galletas o cereales. Y lo vamos a convertir en estos personajes de cuento. Seguro que te quedan súper chulos en la estantería de tu cuarto. ¿Adivinas de qué cuento estamos hablando? Sí, has adivinado. Welcome to the Three Little Pigs craft. What materials do we need? We will need 4 toilet paper rolls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A piece of thin cardboard. A box of biscuits or flakes. 1 or more paint brushes. A pencil. A ruler. Color paints. What colors do we need? Gray, pink, yellow, blue, green, and red. You can also use markers or any other paint. Pipe cleaners and or a piece of wire. Scissors and glue. You can use any type of glue. Let's start working. Draw a line more or less in the middle of the roll. We need to do the same in 2 more rolls. Paint all your pieces. 3 rolls will be the 3 little pigs and the other one the wolf. The pigs are going to wear trousers, so half of the roll will be pink and the rest you can choose the color. Watch how I do it. Now we need to prepare all the other body parts. Trace them in the cardboard and cut them out. You can download the templates. You have the link in the video description box. Now we are going to paint all our pieces. Use a piece of paper to protect your table. Mommy will be happy with that. Trace and cut the hole for the legs on all your rolls. Watch how I do it. Here you have some of my pieces. The wolf is grey. My pigs have blue, yellow and green trousers. What colors are yours? Here you have all my pieces colored. Now we are going to paste all the pieces in our frames. For the pigs, you will need to fold the top part of the roll to get the ears. Paste the nose, paste the eyes, and finished! No, they need a tail. Take the piece of wire and roll it around the stick. You only need 2 loops. Now the wolf. Paste the teeth. Watch how I do it. Paste the tongue. Paste the ears. Paste the hair. Paste the eyes. And paste the bow tie. Finished! No, he needs a tail. Use the pipe cleaner to make it. Follow what you see in the video. Now we need to paint the pig's tail in pink. We are going to fix all the tails in our animals, but very important, ask mommy or daddy for help. You need to make a little hole with the scissors or something similar in the back of your animal. Put a drop of glue in the little hole and fix the tail. Paste a bit of paper inside your wolf to hide the pipe cleaner. The process for the pigs is exactly the same. And there you are, your friends are now finished. Gracias por haber pasado este rato en familia conmigo. Espero que lo hayáis disfrutado y que los peques hayan estado contentos. Si os ha gustado, regaladme un like. Si queréis seguir mis trabajos, suscribiros al canal. Y si activáis la campanilla, os avisaremos cada vez que subamos un vídeo. Decidme en comentarios si os apetecen más vídeos para niños. Mientras tanto, cuidaros mucho. Y un beso a todos. Y nos vemos en el próximo tutorial.